OMP Peering. OMP is enabled by default on all Cisco SD-WAN Edge devices. When vEdges go through the zero-touch provisioning process, they learn about the addresses of all available vSmart controllers and automatically initiate secure connections to them. By default, these connections are authenticated and encrypted via the Datagram Transport Layer Security DTLS protocol. Depending on the number of available transports, each vEdge router will try to establish a secure control connection via every TLOC. However, as shown in figure, the OMP peering uses the system IPs. And only one peering session is established between one Edge device and one vSmart controller even if there are multiple DTLS connections to the same controller. You can see in the following output that the one Edge device has 2 DTLS control connections initiated to the vSmart controller with IP address 1.1.0.3, one connection through the MPLS transport and another one through the Internet. However, if we check how many OMP peering sessions to the controller there are, you can see that there is only one. Another important thing to know is that these DTLS control plane tunnels are used by other protocols as well. For example, besides OMP, NETCONF and SNMP will also be transported via these secure connections. By utilizing these encrypted DTLS tunnels, we no longer need to be concerned about the native security of protocols like SNMP, PAT, etc. In a typical production deployment, there are at least 2 or 3 controllers for redundancy purposes. When we have multiple vSmarts, they also establish OMP peering between them in a full mesh manner as shown in figure. In the next video, we'll cover creating OMP route advertisements.